give me all or nothing. Girl, to tell the truth, it's more than one. Be real with you and give you all my loving. Girl, to tell the truth, it's
Didn't forget you. Thanks. Okay, y'all, I look really
bad today.
so let's just like not focus on my hair and my face because I didn't wear any makeup today. Bye. But I am at my friend Maddie's house and we're gonna hang out today, so I'm really excited about that. Got some lemon water, you know, gotta stay healthy. Oh my gosh, I actually look like a possum. So sad. Dude.
I look so bad.
No, I look bad. Oh my gosh, I actually look like a possum. Maddie, you want to tell them what we're doing?
We're trying to pick a show on Netflix, but we don't know what to watch.
But yeah, it's been like not even 10 minutes and we're already like tired. This morning, I was really excited to come here, but I just was really tired. But
It's 9 a.m. guys.
okay, and also I just posted something on my Instagram. Somebody responded. Slide up with some good Netflix suggestions and let's see what people said. Grey's Anatomy, Degrassi, Next Class, Big Mouth, 13 Reasons Why. All right, kids.
We up.
I've been running around all day, picking these flowers for you. I swear you don't appreciate all the things I'm doing for you. And I've been running around all day, picking these flowers for you. Oh yeah, I swear you don't appreciate me.
You have so much baking stuff. All right, you want to tell them what we're making?
We're making this, but we're making it colorful.
So we're gonna attempt to make a rainbow cake.
Yes, queen!
Okay, my hair's gonna look really bad, so just don't look at that. This is what we're making. In a large bowl, mix the cake mix, water, butter, and eggs.
Whoa! Whoa! How many is that?
With your Macy's prices exclusions apply.
2. We're making rainbow cake.
All right, kids.
looks so
they
cool.
look so cool. All right, change of plans. We're making cupcakes.
Yeah, because we didn't really have a cool cake thing.
These are our tie-dye cupcakes. They look pretty great. Let's pop them in the oven.
Ow, 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 ow. Looks like a worm. There, I think we put the icing on too early.
So it's kind of like melted, but it's okay.
Oh, they're so pretty. This is the inside. So good.
Okay.
Please don't change a single little thing for me. Can't even hide it. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone. A little thing for me.
All right, friends, we made it to the pool. It's about to get lit. Let's go. Hey guys, looking like a snack here. Now we're gonna ride around in the golf cart.
You were mine. Oh, baby. Come on and say it now. There's a word truck behind me.
Is it recording? I think it's recording. Caroline's in the shower, and I'm like hacking the video camera. So hey, what's up?
So we are gonna go four-wheeling now, so come with us.
Something.
Okay, I'm probably gonna look so bad, but
You have to like, it's tight when you put it on, I know. But then it gets looser. It goes way faster, but I'm not gonna go faster.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I have to leave right now. I'm really sad. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
If you liked the video, make sure to give a thumbs up.
And if you didn't, don't do anything about it.
Alright, bye.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do what, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do